Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking in the Stihl MS 210C. That's the Easy Start version. You've seen how easy that's spun over. It's just an amazing starting system. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Got the switch off, but you can see how easy this spins over. You don't rip start like you normally do a saw. Go very slow. Spins it right over. Kill switch on the left here. Up is off, run, high idle, choke. Twist lock caps, really nice feature. Working chain brake. Quiet tone muffler. That's a new barn chain. And the tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up right on the sides of the tensioner. If you're looking for a great little firewood cutting saw, farm use, ranch use, camping, or just general firewood cutting, very nice saw.